Manipur Police arrested two active members of the proscribed Communist Party (KCP) People's War Group (PWG) on October 18 from Pureiromba, Khongnangmakhong in Imphal East District. The accused, identified as Mutum Inau Singh, 31 years, and Khairakpam Rajan Singh, 25 years, were involved in extortion activities targeting the general public and engaging in other illegal operations. During the operations, police recovered several items from their possessions, including one two-wheeler, 3 mobile phones, a sling bag, a wallet, 2 ID cards, and a sum of Rs 7,600. In addition, security forces conducted extensive search operations in area dominations in the fringe and vulnerable areas of both hill and valley districts. To maintain the flow of essential goods, authorities ensured the safe movement of 301 vehicles along National Highway number 37 and 336 vehicles along National Highway number 2 under strict security escort. A total of 111 Nakas checkpoints were set up across Manipur, but no one was detained for violations during the operations. Enhanced security measures continue across sensitive areas to ensure safety and prevent any further illegal activities.